Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle, a binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 19th, 2020. We have here a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle, and this will be number 1, 3, 7, 2. Yes. And the rules, one of the rules is in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double 1. Here no. There no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here and 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. We have 4 O's here, so the rest are 1s. We have 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Let me think. 3 O's. If I place the 4th O in this row, then we have 4 1s in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. If I place here an O, then we still have 3 1s in a row. One of the rules, not more than 2 in a row, so this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Alright, so now we have 1, 2, 3, yes, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2. Where's the opening? The opening, I think I need to compare. 1. I'm looking 101. Yes, this column and that column. One of the other rules is there cannot be identical rows or columns. So let me compare with this column, the 2nd column and the 5th column. O, empty box, 1 1, O 1 1, O 1 1. So almost the same except these 2. I cannot place an O here, I cannot place a 1 here. So I need to switch these 2 numbers. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones so in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1, double 1 here, no, there O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will continue in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye for now.